Okay, this is exercise 5.5, and this is about Sudsy, a producer of shower products, is evaluating the profitability of its men's, women's, and children's product lines. And it looks like the men's shower products are unprofitable. So here are their sales are 150,000, variable costs are 90, so they're contributing 60,000 in contribution margin, but they've been allocated 75,000 in fixed costs. Okay, and it says they've been having difficulty tapping into the men's market for shower products, but strategically would like to have a very broad product offering. In other words, you'd want to have, men, women, and children. You wouldn't want to just have women and children. So if it drops the men's product line, though, it would free up 30,000 of the fixed costs. Okay, so this would go down by 30,000. Having a bit more flexibility in the use of its resources could be helpful in improving their other offerings. So this is another keep or drop a product line question. And the first question is, would they be financially better or worse off if they dropped it? So if they keep it, this is what we've got. Okay, just the men's product line, we've got a loss of 15,000. If we drop it, we don't have any revenue or variable costs or contribution margin, but we do have some fixed costs. They tell us that it would free up 30,000 in fixed costs, so we would still have, 45,000, okay, in fixed costs. So if we keep it, we've got a $15,000 loss. If we drop it, we've got a $45,000 loss. Okay, therefore you'd want to keep it because we'd be $30,000 worse off if we dropped it. Okay? Then what amount of avoidable fixed... Now this I think is when these questions get hard, is this question right here. At what amount of avoidable fixed costs would Sudsy be indifferent to keeping or dropping the men's line, considering only quantitative information? Okay, so this is the next question about, once you understand how to do it and you've got a decent format down and you're all set, you've got to be able to answer this one piece right here. So if losing, let's see, where are we? If losing 60,000 in contribution margin, it would need to save at least 60,000 in fixed costs to reach a zero net effect. Okay? Does that make sense? So this would have to be, our fixed costs then would have to be $60,000 less. All right, fixed costs could be 15,000, and then we're indifferent. Okay, our loss would be the same in either case, and the net effect would be zero. All right. If the quantitative analysis supports dropping the men's products, what additional information would the leadership need before making a final decision? I don't know. What do you think? What else would they want to know? I'll probably get more market information on what men are buying, if there even is a market for men's soap, for heaven's sake. Anything other than Irish Spring, huh? What else? If there's something else they could do with that piece of the business, and also some forecasting. Those are all the things that you'd want to know. And the big hang up with this is strategically it wants a broad product offering, so that would include men, women, and children. Okay, and if the quantitative analysis supported dropping the men's product line, then under what circumstances might Sudsy decide to still keep it? Okay, and they might still keep it because of this broad product offering thing, which would make sense. That's not a bad reason. Okay? All right, but what you want to focus on with this problem, though, is right here, A and B. All right, and this is going to take a little bit of thought. Okay.